So I am Shubhoshri, and today we are going to do some fun line art. Okay, my Insta art handle's name is the Art More. Okay, so we'll just start off. Okay, so what are we going to do is like we are going to start with the head, just normal this much ahead. So first, what you people will be doing is just normal, roughly draw um, normal and shape of like not a full circle but kind of a circle like this. Okay, just like this. And then here will be, this will be the head, and then here like halfway through draw a another circle but make it a bit elongated. Okay, like this. So this is the head and this is the bun, so we are going to erase this part out. What all you don't need, just erase it off, it would be better for you guys. Okay, yeah, I'm waiting. Okay, little wings, we are gonna make a messy hair bun with a half gajra with line art. So if your guys are done till this much, just give me a thumbs up. Okay, okay. It's not a proper circle, these will be more like an oval. This one will be an oval, this one is much of a circle. Okay, okay. Okay, so I got a lot of thumbs ups. So now what we are going to do, this, I guess this is much more clearer. So this head we are going to like part of, like give some partitions. Okay, like the simple lines will draw. Okay, one, like 4 lines will be enough. Two, this is the third one, and this is the fourth one. Okay, just roughly draw the lines. It's not that you have to do it like properly this way or something like this. Okay, so after we are done with this partitions, okay, we are going to do some like hair coming off like this. Yes, it is available. Well, there is no more noise, the aarti was going on and it's done. This live will be there on Just Jam's YouTube channel. Okay, so don't worry about that. So this hairs are done, right? Now we'll go to this bun, but before you start off with this bun, we are going to do the gajra. Okay, so that it will be better. So for the gajra, we are not going to do anything, we are going to just draw small leaves around this part. Yes, crafted, this is going to be a pen art, this is going to be an interesting pen art. Okay, so for the gajra, what we are going to do, like just normal leaves like this. Okay, like everywhere, just draw this kind of like this. Okay, some over like this. Gajra is like a small garland kind of thing which women use it on their buns. So like this we are going to make a gajra. Like just draw small leaves, that's it. Bus, that's it on this side. It will be an half gajra. So it's clear now. Okay, so we are going to finish this part of the gajra the same way, small leaves like this. Okay, so we'll start off with this bun. So again, like the hair, the way we divided it off, so we are going to divide this bun also, just the just randoms, okay, like this. Okay, you can divide it the way you want to. This. So it's okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to just line this whole thing with a pen. Okay, so again I'm saying I'm using a micron pen. You can use any pen, just avoid dot pens. Okay, just avoid dot pens. So first what we are going to do, we are going to do the gajra. Just draw the leaves with the pen, just draw the leaves randomly. Okay, yeah, thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, just draw the leaves like this randomly. It's not that all the leaves have to be like proper leaves and all this. Okay, so okay, so now we are first going to do the head part. Okay, just border it out. You don't have to be very much accurate with the bordering, like a perfect circle or anything like that. Okay, the inside lines also just border them off. Okay, like this. Ma'am, it's clear now. Thank you so much. Thank you. And this buns, this portions also just border like that randomly. Okay, then this hairs which are coming out, just draw a line to it. The detailings will do later on. Okay, just border it, the whole thing, and just don't rub off the pencil thing right now. Okay, let the ink, we'll do rub it off at the end. Okay, at the end. So we are going to do the head. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to draw just straight lines. Okay, just this curved lines like this. Okay, or don't draw the lines like proper straight lines, make it a bit of curves. Okay, so it will give a more natural, realistic look to your hair. Okay, okay, Swara, I'll do it, you just follow me off, or else we can't just finish it. Or I'm so sorry dear, I can't wait so long. Like this thing will take me a bit of time, so I guess you will catch up. Okay. So we are drawing lines like this. Okay, like this, just fill off all the other parts also the same way. Just don't keep too much line, this space was too much. Okay, just don't keep too much lines. Yeah, I'm going ahead. Thank you. Thank you guys. You're it's again going hazy. I guess it's the network issue. It's raining out here in my area actually. Okay, suppose there is too much bend like this and too much area out here, just draw a random line like this and then fill in lines here, not an issue. Okay, like this, just draw lines. Too hazy, can't see. You should. Now is it fine? Okay, so to the people who are like, it's yeah, a bit of wave lines, don't draw straight line. If you are drawing wavy lines, so what will happen is like it will give a more natural and realistic look to your hair. Okay, that's why the wavy lines. Okay, clear now? Okay, so to those who's not clear, guys, we are just drawing straight lines on the head out here within the this partitions we did. Okay, just don't draw straight lines. Okay, guys. Yes, Geeta, wavy lines. mm. Here. Okay, for the bun I'll show you. Okay, just let me finish just this part. For the buns I'll show you how we are going to do. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's do this part. And the last part out here. Done. Okay, just give me a minute. I guess you guys are more faster than me. Okay, so not only a messy one, with line art you can do a lot of hairstyles also. Okay, like half tied hair, or like with a flower, proper flower and all, you can like do a lot of thing. It actually looks very nice. The lines should be close to each other, or space should be there. See, don't give too much space. Okay, then it won't look good. And don't so it like keep a little space between the lines. Okay, so that it looks it doesn't be too dark, because we are only using black, okay, over white. So that's why we are I'm saying this. So are you guys done this much? Okay, so for this hair which has come out here, so what are we going to do? We are just going to just like do some how do I say, I'm out of words actually. It's like just overlap lines on it. Okay, 2-3 lines just overlapped like this. That's it. So now the bun. For this part, what we are going to do, we are going to draw some horizontal, like this way, straight lines inside the gajra. We are going to draw lines this way. These lines are also going to be a bit waved like this. Okay, for this one, for all this like waved lines like this, a bit curvy, but just let's do it straight and like go with the flow like this. So for this one, we are going to draw lines again in a straight way like this. And don't worry, this live will be saved, and on my page I'll be sharing this picture too, so you just don't worry. And Just Jam's YouTube channel, they will be saving this. Okay, thanks Megha. This one again, straight curvy lines. like this. Okay, now this one we are going to draw lines like a bit curved. Just draw a curvy line. Thank you guys. Just I know my network is a problem, but you guys are like seriously helping me out a lot. Thank you so much. Yeah, this will be saved, don't worry about it. This one again we are going to draw a bit curved semicircular kind of lines like this. Okay, this one yes Megha, this picture will be there on my page right after this live. Okay, don't worry. So like this straight lines. And the last one out here we are going to draw again semicircle kind of lines. Okay, and this bun, the lining part of this bun is complete. Okay, so now what you are guys going to do is just take a pen. I'm going to take a like a fatter nib. Okay, this is 0.8 nib I took, or you can use the same pen also, it's not a big deal. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to border this head part like this, just the border part, just a bit uneven way. Don't make it a perfect circle or anything like that. Okay guys, just like this. Okay, just give a border to this, and this out here, just don't border off the portions on the head part. Okay, just don't. Ahana, okay Ahana, hi. Okay, so this portion, just border the portions of this part bun. Okay, you're going to border the portions of the bun but not the head. So for the gajra, let me give you like 2-3 options. Okay, you can leave this thing just like that. Okay, so before, like just like that, the way it is. Okay, it's looking pretty decent. Or you guys can do one thing, you guys can just use any color sketch pens or color pencils, or this, I'll be using this jelly roll pen. Jelly roll it's called. Okay, it's a fluid based pen of jelly roll, so to color this part. Okay, or like you can use watercolor also, but this is a very small portion, so watercolor I would say like use a sketch pen only. So before we add the color to the gajra, so just wipe it off the pencil part. Okay, very slowly. Okay, so now what we are going to do, just roughly color like this. Okay, just roughly, don't color completely, keep some white space. Okay, it'll look cute. A light and shadow kind of a thing will play out here. So I'm using a fluorescent orange color out here, but you can use any color you like. Okay, yellow, red, or anything you like. issue. Okay, so this is the final piece. Okay, this is the final piece. Okay, so thank you. I'll just wrap up for today. So hope to see you soon. Okay, bye. Bye bye.